So we know that the male and female gametes fuse to form a tiny embryo that grows into a cute baby. Now let's see how this magical process happens. Male humans have sperm stored in their sperm ducts. The sperm is ejected out of the urethra forcefully and deposited in the vagina of a female human by ejaculation. The force is also able to push some sperm through the cervix and into the uterus. Millions of spermatozoa in the sperm are activated within the female reproductive tract. They swim upwards from the vagina into the uterus and within the uterus, and some get to the fallopian tubes. Meanwhile, the ovum released in the female during ovulation finds its way into the fallopian tube. Here, the spermatozoa meet the ovum, but only one spermatozoon can fertilize the ovum. The chosen one uses the enzymes in its acrosome or its acrosomal enzymes to break into the ovum. The spermatozoon doesn't need to swim anymore, so the head separates from its tail, leaving the tail outside the ovum. Once this happens, the outer membrane of the ovum becomes impermeable. That is, no other spermatozoon can enter the ovum. The ovum completes its second meiotic division, and the genetic material of the nuclei of the spermatozoon and the ovum fuse to give a diploid cell. This means the 23 chromosomes of the spermatozoon and the 23 chromosomes from the ovum fuse to give a cell with 46 chromosomes, a zygote. This is fertilization. The fertilized egg moves through the fallopian tube into the uterus and attaches to the endometrium. Let's do a recap. The spermatozoa are deposited in the vagina and they swim till they reach the fallopian tube where the ovum is. One spermatozoon is able to enter the outer membrane of the ovum using its acrosomal enzymes. This causes the membranes to stop the entry of any more spermatozoa. The genetic material of both gametes fuse to form a zygote that implants in the endometrium. Let's move on so we can learn more about pregnancy.